First impressions. The moment in which you realize that saying hello to an animal is far easier than saying hello to a fellow human. Hello everyone, my name is Uchi, and I know that when you first saw me, you must have thought that I'm a millionaire or something. But, to be truthful, I'm just a kid. For all my viewers, today I'm here to give you a secret formula that will help you master first impressions and leave everyone believing that you have a $1 million personality the first time they meet you. First impressions are interactions that we make all the time with different people. Whether it is at a meeting, interview, or even walking down the street. Did you know that it only takes 7 seconds for an individual to make a first impression of you? It is also worth mentioning that you don't get a second chance to make a first impression. While all this is true, I developed a formula to help enhance how we make our first impressions towards others and their general impression of us. My formula is reflective of a AAA battery, except my A's stand for appearance, attitude, and action. To begin with, let's focus on tackling what is necessary to make a great first impression with your appearance. It is important to remember that you are showing what you want people to see of you. In fact, that saying, "fake it until you make it," is quite correct. I'll use myself as an example for this one. When I first started public speaking, I was terrified and had to fake my confidence on stage. However, as the years passed, that confidence became more and more natural, to the point where I feel that I'm not faking it anymore. But not everyone is a pro, and if you're still in that process of faking that confidence, then make sure your outwardly appearance is on point as well. I mean, if you do not feel like wearing a full-out suit when meeting people, at least make sure your socks match and that you have combed your hair. However, no matter how much you improve your appearance, your attitude is just as important as well. That is why the second part of my strategy revolves around improving your attitude for a great first impression. I learned a secret strategy from speaker Charlene Rocha that can greatly improve your attitude. Rocha explains that you should embody the traits of someone you look up to or admire when you're speaking. Maybe it is their confidence, their charisma, or even their persuasive abilities that make them such captivating individuals. You can now share these traits too, simply by practicing how they act. When you combine your amazing personality with the super traits you admire in someone else, you can become an even better version of yourself and leave people speechless by your first impression. Furthermore, another great way to improve your attitude is to stay calm and try to rid your nerves. If you feel that you are panicking, try this. Take a deep breath and focus on what you want to say next. Remember, what you have to say matters. You must also give out a firm handshake. Studies have proven that a weak handshake can signify that you are untrustworthy, while a firm means people can count on you. If you've made it this far into the speech and are still listening, then I must be making a great first impression on you. You have now learned how important attitude and appearance are. But in order to complete my successful formula, you need to take action. I could teach you every trick in my book, but if you don't take the opportunities that come to you, or have knowledge about what you are talking about, then you will never be able to make that incredible first impression. To further emphasize just how important first impressions are, I'll leave you with this quote from Sonja Parker. Almost everyone will make a good first impression, but only a few will make a good lasting impression. But have no fear. My AAA battery formula will ensure that you make those good lasting impressions on everyone you meet. Remember, appearance, attitude, and action. With those in the back of your pocket, you will become fearless and confident, ready for the world to meet you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.